Hey guys, what's going on? This is Darius and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing AIfluencers, which this is a software that will allow you to create influencers using AI. And as you can see here, I got 3 influencers created using this software. And if you see this lady here, Etana Pink, now you might know this lady because from what I know, she was the first person, the first AI influencers to be created by some random guy, right? But the idea is she was the first and she's making a ton of money online from Instagram. And I have created her in this software in just a few seconds, in just a few minutes, let's say, right? So this is a really cool software and the AI influencer marketing is only growing and you can basically create any type of influencer that you want, okay? And you have a ton of features inside of this software. You can also embed these influencers in your websites, which is pretty cool. You can create videos, you can create different kind of images, right? But the best part about the entire thing is character consistency, okay? Because yes, we have another tools in the market. You have to install them on your PC, your Mac and stuff like that, technical stuff. But most of the time you end up with different faces, okay? So the character is not consistent. Now with AIfluencers, this is what I really like about it is the character consistency, because every time you create another image, you will have the same face, but in different background, different situations and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you how everything works. But before I do so, I just want to mention that I left a link below in the description of this video. And if you click on that, you will be redirected to my website where you can find more information about AIfluencers, including the pricing, the upsells. There is also a fast pass bundle. You will also find my bonuses. By clicking this link here, you will be redirected to another page where I host all my bonuses, and all of these bonuses are free, part of your purchase if you decide to buy AIfluencers through my link, and they will be delivered instantly inside of your JVZoo account after you purchase through my link. Now the pricing is pretty simple. The front-end offer is going to be $37, but after you buy the front-end offer, you will be presented with some upsells. We have 4 upsells, okay? And as you can see, we have the unlimited version, the pro version, we also have the enterprise and the monetized edition. Now, if you want to get all of these, we have a fast pass bundle. So immediately after you buy the front-end offer, you will be presented with this bundle deal, okay, which is $230. Now, this will include all the upsells at a discounted price, okay? So in case you want to get the entire funnel, you might want to get the front-end offer and after that the fast pass bundle. But in case you don't want the bundle, you can skip the bundle and you can buy maybe the unlimited version or the pro version or the upsell that you want to get, right? And all of the information about all of these upsells are on my website, and all you have to do is just click the first link in the description of this YouTube video. Now, if you decide to buy AIfluencers through my link, just click on this green button. You will be redirected to the sales page where you can go ahead and pick this up. And as you can see on the sales page, they have a ton of examples of AI influencers like Aitana. We have another one like Kaironig, if I say that right. So we have a ton of AI influencers on Instagram and they make a lot of money. Now, as you can see, this is going to be the members area after you log in, and the main menu is on the left-hand side. You can explore AI influencers like all the influencers that have been created using this software, so you can get some ideas. But to create one of these influencers, just click on create AIfluencer and create custom influencer. Now you can also create these influencers from an image, okay? And as you can see, Aitana, I created this influencer based on the image, right? So I will go with custom because I want to show you the entire process, okay? So we have the general information, ethnicity, we have the hairstyle, personality, occupation, and the clothing. So what you want to do is just give it a name, and let's say Vanessa, let's say Reed last name, nickname Vanessa, and the age is, let's say 29. The gender is going to be a female, nationality, You can choose a bunch of nationalities in here. So let's do Brazilian, right? Primary language, English. You can choose a ton of languages. We also have the interest. So let's do fashion. And the communication style, you can choose from these options in here, but I will say conversational and I will click on next. Now we want to choose the ethnicity. So the origin is going to be, let's do Latino, like so. The eye color, let's do green. The skin tone is going to be like olive. No, let's do brown. Brown, like so. Appearance, we will choose diamond. Body type, let's say curvy. Expression, mysterious. Voice tone, friendly. Emotional tone, joyful. Accent, US. Now we'll click on next, and then you want to choose the hairstyle. So let's do short hair. The texture is going to be curly, actually wavy. The hair volume is going to be high. The hair color is going to be black. Accessories like hair clips, hair ties. So we going to do hair clips and the scalp visibility full coverage. I will click on next, and now we want to choose the personality. So we have a ton of options here. I will do confident, and as for hobbies, let's go with gym. And I'll click on next. The occupation, let's add a manual one because you can also add manual stuff in here. And we say fitness trainer. Now we'll go and say next. And now we have the clothing. So you can choose from these options here, yoga pants and sports bra. I like this one, and I will click on next. And I think this should be it. And yeah, we have the summary and we have the profile description. We also have the negative prompt, and the negative prompt is really cool and it's done automatically. We have the number of variations. Let's do 2 variations. Okay, so 2 images to see which one is better. And the performance, obviously, I'm going to choose quality because I want the perfect face, the perfect influencer. And you can also add your platforms like social media platforms. But I will generate these influencer, and it's going to generate these images in just a few seconds. And there we go. We have these 2 options. And we have the first one, which looks absolutely insane. Really, really nice. And the second one, I think this one looks better. Yeah, this one looks really, really cool. So as you can see, we have these options on each individual image. You can view it. You can also set the influencer image. And if you click these 3 dots, you can add some objects, enlarge objects, and improve details. But I will choose the second one. I will click set influencer image because I really like that one. And as you can see, we have Vanessa Reed, which is pretty cool, right? So yeah, you can set this as public. And if you set this as public, it's going to be under the Explore AI influencers, right? And others can see your work. Now, if we go to a gallery here, let me first make this influencer public. Let's go to my gallery, and as you can see, we have Vanessa, and I will click on see all images, and this is the first one. But in order to create more images for these influencer and even videos, we can create videos based on these images, which is pretty cool. We have this content generator section here, and as you can see, we can create images, create pose, face swap, and also clothing. Under the video, you can create talking head video. You have the video editor, AI video, manage video, and merge video. So we can do a ton of stuff using this software. Now I will just go and create an image because I want to create some images and show you how consistent is the character creation. So I will just select the influencer, and we have some options in here. We have body, clothing, accessories, scene. And if you click on view, you have back view, front view, side view, a 3/4 view. So these are options to make your images stand out. But let's say body, right? We have, let's do seated pose. And next we have the screen size. I will leave it like that. Number of images, I will say 2. And you can basically generate a prompt and also add your own prompt. The negative prompt is going to be done automatically. So it's going to generate the prompt automatically like so, and obviously you can change it if you want to, but as you can see we have a pretty in-depth prompt. I will just click on generate image and let's see what we get. Okay, and there we go. We have the first image and the second image, and to be honest, these look amazing. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, obviously, you can play around with these options here because you can pretty much create these kind of images in like full body, dressed in a swimming suit and stuff like that. So you get the point, you get the idea. All you have to do is just select one of these, add your own prompts if you want, and it's going to generate everything that you want. And as you can see, this character is the same with the profile image, right? It's absolutely the same. Now we have here create pose. Now in this case, create pose, essentially you can select the influencer and you can upload an image. Let's say for example this image here, and is going to replicate the exact pose of this image, right? So if, let me see if I can add this in here. Yeah, invalid file, so I can't do that. But essentially, this is what it does. It's going to be this image, this pose, but with her face and body and stuff like that. Next, we have the face swap. If you want to swap the face of these influencers, you can do that in here. The clothing, if you want to maybe add some clothing to your influencer, you can just search on Google for some clothes, right? Add those images in here, select the influencer, and it's going to generate that AI image with those clothes that you found, which is pretty cool. Now under the create video, we have talking head video. So with the talking head, you can pretty much have her image with lip syncing. Is going to say whatever you want her to say. You can add your script in here. You can choose from the voices, the AI voices. So yeah, they have a ton of voices in here. So yeah, you can choose that. We also have video editor, and this is a slide based editor where you can go ahead and add some images and create a video from the images. You can also add the subtitles, elements, shapes, and so on. AI video, with AI video, you can have, you can select the influencer and basically give it a prompt like dancing in the rain, and it's going to create that video with this influencer dancing in the rain. You can manage your videos and also merge videos, right? And the product shout out is going to be, let's say you get a sponsorship, right? They will send you the product and you can essentially add that specific product to your image with your influencer, because obviously you can create the image inside of this area with the influencer, but also you will have to add your image from that specific product, and you can integrate both in the same image so you can showcase that specific product, which is pretty cool, right? So yeah, this is a really cool software, and again, I really like the consistency. I mean, the character looks really amazing, okay? And if we go to my gallery, see all these images for Vanessa. Where is the second one? I forgot to save it. Remember, anytime you create an image under the content generator, save it, okay? But the character consistency is there, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. So yeah, guys, this is AIfluencers. It's a really cool software. You don't have to install nothing on your computer. You don't have to do any of that technical stuff. Just log into the software, create your AI influencer, create a ton of images, post them on Instagram, grow your account, and you can make a good amount of money, okay? Because the possibilities with this software is endless, because you can create these images with AI in any style, right? In any place. You can even create like travel influencers. So yeah, and I think I will end this video here, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you ask them below. and I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.